Hello, let's quickly go over how to set up electric meter billing. First, you need to go into Marine Control Maintenance and go into Load Meter Billing Rates. Now, this type is very important. This type is going to be the type that's in each and every slip, and I'll show you how that actually ties in. So this is a key field right here. Bill code is strictly, it's used for general ledger. If you have a separate general ledger account, you may want to have a separate bill code. Typically, most people use the code that's here, -ELE. Also, when you print your sales journal, this will separate it on your sales journal also. If you have a flat rate, you'd put it in here. If you don't have a flat rate, then it would be zero. A flat rate means every month I'm going to charge $10 plus usage. If they don't use it, they're still going to get charged $10. So there again, that's up to you. If you don't have a flat rate, that'll be zero. In usage, whether it's taxable, you'll obviously click taxable. So you can have all different types. You may just have one meter type and bill the same for all your meters. That's entirely up to you. Okay, once that's set up, now that type ties into here. When you're setting up your slips, you put in over here the type. Meter ID is something that is really not very important. You can key it in. Some customers like to keep track of where each meter is, and each meter has a different ID. This is how you want to have it billed out. So this type right here is what's in that code when you're setting up your meter billing. You should enter this in for all your different slips, because when you are doing a search for a slip for a customer and he says he needs a 50 amp, if it sees this slip does not have a 50 amp, it won't recommend this slip. So these things are important to put in. Also, you don't need to put in the read date. You don't need, if you have any notes, you can put that in, obviously. Once that's completed, now it's as easy as just going in here, and I'm going to say electric meter reading. Now, it creates a file that you're going to update. And if you've updated all the stuff in the file, you may not want to clear it. You can look and see which ones you haven't billed out. The only things that'll be in there are things that you have not billed. In this case, I'm starting a new month. I billed everything. I'm just going to clear it. And now, normally you'd want it sorted. I'm only doing wet slips. You can also do it for inside storage, things like that. And normally you want it sorted in the order of you're going to be walking down the dock. So normally it's by the slip type and the slip number. And so here we go. We've got A docks. So it'd be A1, A2, A3. These are the ones that have people in them. I told them I only want to see ones with people in it. Now, it prints out an 8.5 by 11. And you can do multiple, obviously it'll be in multiple pages. And you can walk down the dock and fill these things in. Or you can have a tablet and walk down a dock and do it with the tablet. Now, once you print this out, now you'll be ready to do your actually update. When you do your update, it'll come up here. And basically, this is now there again. I could have this on a tablet and be walking down the dock and keying it right in the tablet. Or you can put it on a piece of paper and then go into this program and update it later. But just to show you, if you make a mistake and you type in something lower than what's out there, it's red. It just means that I think you made a problem here. Normally the meter doesn't go down. So let's fix that. And when you hit the enter key, it's automatically going to go down to the next one and down. And so, you know, whoop, now I went down here, so we want to go back up. Okay. So now I just updated these three. Now, if I had more and all I want to do is update three, I could do that. You don't need to do the whole page or all of them. So you need to hit F12. And now it's telling me that I am updating these slips, and it'll do a printout. You don't need to print this out if you don't want to. So now, once I've updated it, now I just want to bill it. And you click Bill. And now basically all I really need to do here is hit F12. Now, if I need to make a change to any of these things, maybe somebody made a mistake, and you can click on any of these lines and update the line that you're changing. So you can do that anytime you want. If I click on here and I want to update it, I'm going to say yes. And now it's been updated if I want to change any of the things. So you can update it and make changes. When I'm ready to do the billing, I'm going to hit OK. And it's telling me that, okay, you're about to do 3 bills for $99. I'm going to say yes. And now it's going to give me a report of all the customers that I billed. Now Tom Brady's got 2 boats and these are 2 different slips. Here's what we billed them. So now we've actually done the whole process here. Now if I want to just go into his account, and let's just go, we can do it right from here. Let's go to Tom Brady, and let's go and then look at his customer information. And I look here, here's the bill that we just did for $48.64. And if I look and I want to see what that bill looks like, obviously he has 2 separate boats, but we put it all on one bill. And so for a dock, we charged him a flat $10 plus a usage fee of $14. On A103, it's charged him $10 flat fee and $14. So here's his bill. And so everything is completed. Now, if his flag was set on to automatically email him, it would have emailed him that particular invoice. So that's how simple it is to do your electric billing. If you have any other questions whatsoever, just give us a call.